Tesla changed my life. Tesla changed my life. No more eating rice. I eat steak with a knife. Steak with a knife. Or whatever they're supposed to mean. Feel good investing, y'all. You did. What's crack-a-lacking, y'all? This Feel Good with Feel Good Investing. I want to show you a stock that I invested in today. Ticker symbol HOFV. I think this stock has a lot of upside to it. It was just debuted on the market this past July. It had a high of $6.45, but now it closed today at $1.68, and it's called Hall of Fame Resort. Before I go into exactly what Hall of Fame Resort is, I just want to point out this RSI. Typically, I don't invest in a company that has a high RSI, especially one that's above 50. But since it's a brand new company, I think that it has a lot of upside. Like the potential of this company going at least to $10-15 this year, I can see that. Only reason why, because like, first off, the Hall of Fame Resort is, it's a resort, of course, but it's dedicated to people that's like fans of the NFL, fans of sports, just fans, period. But I'm pretty sure it's open to all, but it's most definitely gonna attract the football fanatics. And with the vaccine on the way, with people feeling more comfortable getting on airplanes and traveling, this stock is bound to blow. It's bound to blow. I guarantee it's bound to blow. But I'm not a financial advisor, so you got to make your own trades using your own mind, using your own money, But I got the Hall of Fame Resort web page brought up. I just want to show you, a couple of things on here what made me feel comfortable. State Kings concept to season-long fantasy sports league. Hall of Fame Resort secures $40 million loan from Aquarian Holdings. Hall of Fame announces multi-year partnership with Republic Services. It's just good news after good news with this company. They don't have a lot of pictures on here, just information on what's been going on recently. But what really made me invest into this company was that I saw right here, if you look where I'm pointing the mouse at, Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment, Mr. Stewart bought 21 million shares at 73 cents back on December 31st. Now, I want to make this imperative. Like, I don't invest in companies unless it's a potential disruptive company in the future. Shout out to Kathy Woods and ARK Invest. Man, she's brilliant with her picks. She got me thinking like her. And also, I follow smart money. I follow the institutions and what they buy. So when I see someone buying lump sum of shares, especially 21 million, I'm on it too. I'm jumping on it, man, quicker than what they did, because evidently they know something that we don't. So as soon as I saw this block trade go through, I was like, man, let me hurry up and jump on before this stock take off. So that's all I wanted to bring to y'all. Hall of Fame Resort, leisure company. 2021 is going to be a good year for a lot of stocks. Just for the fact, like I said, the vaccine and people feeling comfortable traveling now. But remember, when you investing, remember to feel good while you're investing. Have a good one. I'm out.